Hey, ladies, little sisters of Little Miss AKA. It's Mama Dawn. And so today I'm going to I'm going to walk you through part 2 of our introductory dance to the talent show, My Power. Okay? So if you remember the first half of the dance from the part 1 tutorial, I'm not going to go over that now. Okay? So right after we do our power chorus, they'll never take our power, my power, my power. They'll never take my power, my power, my power. They feel away. Oh, wow. They feel away. Oh, wow. Right? They'll never take my power. And you know this from the last tutorial. If you don't remember how to do this portion, make sure you watch part 1. Okay, this is part 2, right? So we do that. Right after we do the chorus, you take a fast step. It's just like the very first dance move we do, where we walk like this. You know what I'm talking about? 3, 4, and then we go scoot, 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 scoot. So it's very similar to that, but we're picking up the pace, right? Because now we're hyped, okay? So after you do the power chorus, you're facing the side, and we pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So notice leg, 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 leg. Right, left, right, left. Arms are going down, up, down, up. Down, down. No, wait, that's up. Up, 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 up. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. So instead of scooting to the side, you're pushing up and you're looking up. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scoop, scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scoop, scoop. So you're doing that same scoop, but now you're pushing up and you're looking up. Both hands pushing up. Okay? So that's the first move. In the second part, remember we're doing the second half of the dance. After you do that, and what we're doing with that, really fun, is we're going to turn to the 4 corners with that step. So when you finish the power chorus move, right, they feel away. Oh, wow. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, push, push. Notice I'm facing to my right. I'm facing the wall to the right. And then you do that one time, and then you turn to the back. 2, 3, 4, push, push. And then we keep turning to our right. Now we're facing the other wall. Push, push. And now we're back to the front. 2, 3, 4, push, push. Okay? So we took that one move. We start here. Then we go to the back. We're turning to the right. Right shoulder. We go here. And then back to the front. 4 corners. Okay? The 4 walls. Okay? So again, that move is, so right after the chorus, they feel away. Oh, wow. Then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, push. Turn to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, push. Turn to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, push. Turn to the right. Last time. 2, 3, 4, push. Push. Okay? Ready? Got that? Okay. The next move after that is where we're going to have a little fun and get a little sassy. Right? So we're hitting this position right here. Okay? It's very important that your hands are flat. So if you look at my hands and you flap them like this, it's the up position, not the down like this. And it's not this. So you want to put your hands nice and flat at your sides. And so my hands are going like this, right? Hands are not moving. Going like this, side to side, side to side. My feet are going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. My feet are doing this. 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 Okay? To the right first, then to the left. And it's that same scoop, okay? So we did the scoop here, We did the scoot here, and now we're doing the scoot here, right? We like this scoot, okay? So now putting that together, your hands are here, and you're looking. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're doing this 8 times. Okay? So we do that movement, looking, and then we're going to keep doing the same movement, but now we're looking to the front, and our head is going side to side. So after we go 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And notice what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3. I kind of do a little, my leg comes up. You want to have fun with it. Okay? You're picking it up. You're having fun. This is your opportunity to be really fun and really sassy. You just did all these big African dance moves, and now you're like, woo, and I'm a pretty girl too. Okay? So, you ready? Right after that, we go into the chorus. So after you finish this move, never take my power, my power, my power, right? So we know that move by heart now because that's our chorus, and we're going to do that. They say if they feel away, rap, oh wow. They feel away, rap, oh wow, right? So we do that. That's our chorus. We do that move twice. After we do the chorus 2 times, then we are marching because we're going to get into that single line that I showed you. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, and for 4 counts of 8, we're going to march and get into a line, okay? So what I want us all to do is to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Just turn right around your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then get into that single line. So we're all going to get into a single line. I'm going to give you designated spaces in the line so that you know how to line up, okay? But right after we finish this move, it's 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, not after that move, because that move takes us to the chorus. So after we finish the They Feel Away, oh wow, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're getting into our line. 3. We're getting into that straight line. We're 4. We're in that straight line. Once we get in that line, then it's down. This is my right arm. This is my left arm. Right arm is across the chest. Left arm is on an angle down out. Okay, left arm out for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're still marching. And then these arms just go on an angle up the other way. Okay, and we're marching. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to take this right arm, keep it straight, and just angle it down as if somebody pushed it like a seesaw. Okay, and then it goes down for 8 counts. And then we do the same thing where we turn and we alternate, and now the right arm is bent and the left arm is up in the sky. So we're going to do that move. So we're coming into our line for 8 counts, and then we hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, other way and up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's what we're doing in our line. And I promise you that's going to look so cool. Okay? That's going to be really fun. So make sure you practice that. Rewind and practice that portion. Okay? After that, right after that, that's when we're going to have maybe 4 girls. I don't think everybody's going to be able to tumble like we wanted to. But we're probably going to have 4 girls to be able to just go and do a little tumble. So actually, you'll be in that straight line. And then right then, Hannah, then Farah, then Chloe, and then I'm trying to remember who my fourth tumbler is. I think Charlie. Okay, they're each going to take 4 counts of 8. So Hannah's going to get out. She's going to do her thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then Farrah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then Chloe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Charlie, 2, 3, 4. So while they're doing that, we're just gonna be. Oh, I think I'm gonna work with you on what we're gonna do, because I want you to see them, but I want you to be down so that everybody in the aisle can do. So probably what we're gonna do is after we go here, you're gonna go down like this, okay? And just stay there so that everybody can see them. That's exactly what we're gonna do. So we'll do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down. So you're turning to the back. You're turning towards the stage because you're going to be in the aisles doing this part, okay? So what you're going to do is turn to the back and just get down one knee and just get down. You're only down for a few minutes, so don't get sit down and get too comfortable. Don't take a nap, okay? Just going to get down while they do that, okay? While they do that tumble. And then at the end of the 4, I'm going to show you the count in the music. At the end of that 4 count of 8, after Charlie goes, everybody gets up and you're going to start marching and you're going to your posters. So I want you to take 4 counts of 8, get to your poster, right? You get to your poster, you grab your poster, you hold it here, and then the music ends wall side and you hold it up. And that's the end of the dance. Can you believe it? We came to the end of the dance. All right, friends. Stay tuned. Our next video, I'm going to do it with music.